everybody, my name is Leandro Mada. In this video I'm going to talk about how the execution of the function blocks are executed when we program the EcoStruxure Machine Expert using the language CFC, Continuous Function Chart. So let's go to the application. In this part I have this program where is in CFC. And you can see here by default in the new version of EcoStruxure Machine Expert version 2, um, you have some messages at the beginning and then you can set it as default or not, but it's related about the execution of the function that we have. As you can see in here in this project, I don't have any number that indicates the execution of each block. So if you are working with some machine, you can see some numbers over here that means the execution. And if you can go to execute order, okay, and change. But in this new version, we have this possibility to see which is the actual execution, okay, which is in order. And if we want to change this visualization that we have, we just need to go to right click over here, properties. You can see here this new window, CFC execution order. And this is what we have, auto data flow mode, okay? We can also use this one, which is the one that we have in Soul Machine, for example. So I'm going to apply. As you can see here, the execution order. And in order to change the execution order, what I usually do is to go to execution ordered by data flow, okay? And if you want to change one of this one, you can go here, execute order. So you can select here the order for the execution. For example, number 2, it's up to you, okay? But what I usually do is to right click in every place, some place over there, order by data flow, so we'll automatically change the execution. Okay, if you don't want to worry about this part, you just go over here, properties, and change this to data flow mode. Okay, that is vanished. Now if you want to see the display, we just right click over there and that's it. So basically in Soul Machine we have the version that this version over here, okay, the execution order with the numbers over there. In the new version of Machine Expert, we also have this possibility or this one, the one I show you, that you just see the function blocks only without those numbers, okay, which is much easier to identify or follow the program without those numbers over there. So you have these two possibilities, and this is how you can change the order of the execution of the function blocks inside the BOU. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.